All right, we're gearing up for the Paris Olympics with some gold medal-worthy crafts for the whole family. Shannon Doherty, also known as At Home with Shannon on social media, here to show us how to DIY our own Olympic fun right at home. Shannon, good to see you again.
I am so excited. Summer Olympics. I am just ready for it. Thank you, Team USA. Let's
Here we
do
go.
it.
So, first of all, it's Family Olympics, so you create your own scoreboard.
It's a fun way to get your family excited for the Olympics. Let's make a backyard family Olympics game. I made you guys a today, third hour, Olympic family ready scoreboard. I'm going to assume Allie's getting the gold.
Yes.
Jacob, maybe the bronze. Al, the silvers.
I doubt that.
I don't know, Greg. Sorry.
To be really clear,
Keep track of all of our games.
No, I didn't even know.
You made the podium. You made the podium.
So you show how to make medals.
Speaking of medals that I don't win.
We need some medals for our games at home, and these are so easy to make. I did them out of cupcake liners and mason jar lids. Add some glitter, glue the cupcake liner right on some ribbon, and look at these.
Bronze.
Everyone can get medals depending on who
Here,
wins.
Craig, you can have a medal. You get a medal.
Look, you get a medal.
And then once you get the medal, you've got to get on a podium.
You got to be on a podium.
Yep.
So this is an easy way for all your winners to show their spots.
Please.
I actually made these out of step stools at our house. Very easy. Put some step stools of altering heights. Get your flowers, put some cardboard with the numbers, and look, we're on a podium.
That's so smart.
Thank you very much.
I love DIY crafts, but honestly, I'm not good at DIY anything, to be honest.
These are very easy. Everyone can do this one. Just step stools and some cardboard. Now, on to the backyard games. Balance beam. We're big gymnastics fans at our house.
And I remember Suni Lee's dad making these.
Yes, I saw that video where she was in the backyard. I just did this out of a piece of wood, 2x6, 2 other little pieces, nail it in.
Do that Saturday night.
Family gymnastics, easy, fun to do. Let's see, Jacob going for the gold.
Is this like a DUI test?
No, next Simone Biles, right up there.
DUI.
And then
With the heels on. Okay.
with the heels. Woo!
She can do it
Nice.
All right. Now,
And then javelin throw, guys.
This is a lot of
how
pool
fun
noodles.
is this one? So,
wow.
pool noodles. All you have to do to make this, wrap them in a circle, add some tape. I made this one for my kids, and we have the ultimate javelin throw toss game.
Go first, Jacob.
Who wants to go first?
Man. Here we go.
Let's see.
Jacob's first.
I feel like the long one.
yeah.
So go.
Thank you very much.
Well,
Allie.
way to go.
Can I?
Oh, nice try.
No, no, free.
Al, can you do it?
Mr. Melvin. Shannon, you got to do it.
Okay.
Do you think the longer ones are better than the short ones? No,
There
the
you
short
go.
ones are
The
great.
girls' place, Al.
It's fun.
I think this is my favorite. Like having
this so fun?
this is DIY for sure, and it's like you can play this all day.
The long ones have more aerodynamics.
It really is
fun.
science.
Shannon, that's for you.
Shannon, as usual, thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
Enjoy the Olympics.
So fun.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.